Hello to my fellow time travelers. I am author Eileen Schnabel, author of the Kep Westgard Time Travel to the American Revolution series. And today we have 3 questions about this guy, George Washington, from the Professor Noggin series. Let's see how you do. Number 1, whom did George Washington replace as commander-in-chief in the Continental Army? So that was a little bit of a trick question because the answer is nobody. He was the first leader. However, interestingly, when I was researching for the Westgard Saratoga series and the new one that'll come out May 30th, there were people who wanted this guy replaced, and people both who wanted to replace him and people who thought he should be replaced, including people in Congress who thought, and this was interesting, that after the Battle of Saratoga, who wins that? American general Horatio Gates. And some people in Congress said, well, he was the one who got the big win. This was a big win for America. French come in on our side. Burgoyne surrenders his entire army. Some people said maybe Gates should replace Washington. And that led to something called the Conway Cabal, which is actually an interesting little finagling behind the scenes to have Washington replaced. But we'll talk about that on another day. So the answer, whom did George Washington replace? Nobody. He was the first leader. Number 2, originally known as Little Hunting Creek Plantation, what is George Washington's estate now called? And this is the estate from Bart McDowell's The Revolutionary War. And it is now called Mount Vernon. And it says here, at Mount Vernon on July 4th, 1774, George Washington wrote, I'm very much engaged in raising some additions to my house. Next May, he left the mansion unfinished to defend the colonists' rights. All right, last question. Number 3, George Washington was born in Westmoreland County. In what state? And that is Virginia. Thanks for going along with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.